उनमें से 150 से भी ज्यादा हमारे संत बॉर्न अमेरिकन और ब्रिटिश सिटीजन हैं। उनमें से 50 से भी ज्यादा संत दे स्टडीड इन स्टैनफोर्ड, हार्वर्ड, कार्नेगी मेलन, येल एंड केलॉग। हमारे कई संत माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, गूगल और नासा में काम करके आए हैं। ये मैंने आपको इसलिए कहा कि आपको ये ना लगे कि कुछ चला नहीं होगा, जमा नहीं होगा, ठीक नहीं रहा होगा, इसलिए यहां के बैठ गए। ज्यादातर लोग ये समझते जब भगवे कपड़े को देखते हैं कि चला नहीं होगा, पहले तो वो बेचारा बन जाता है। माय गॉड, ही डिड नॉट फिट हिमसेल्फ वेल एनी प्लेस, सो इज हियर। देयर इज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, ओके, you learn it from UP. And now you will learn it from other states as well. What I mean to say is, reinvent yourself. Think out of the box. मैं कुछ कर सकता हूं. Travis Kalanick doesn't have a different intelligence than you. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Do you believe that out of the routine you can create something? Do you believe this? Do you believe that you can generate a new idea, you can design a new process, you can establish a new system that could not just be beneficial to you, could be beneficial to everybody? Do you believe this? If you believe, you can do. तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस में आज रात को बिफोर यू गो टू बेड एक आपको होमवर्क देना चाहता हूं. Would you accept a homework from me? Because at least for this 45 hours I am the teacher and you are the students. ये 45 मिनट के लिए तो ये है ही. The homework is that write a new idea tonight before you go to sleep. कितना भी whimsical लगे आपको, कितना भी whimsical, लिखो. And then every week give just 5 minutes to it. If you can give every third day 5 minutes, it is fine. Every week just give 5 minutes to it or add one line to it. वो भी अगर whimsical हो. For example, मैं एक whimsical idea throw करता हूं कि you want to design a cloth using nanotechnology in a way that the cloth, you can never tear it, you don't need to iron it again, you don't need to wash it again, even if oil splits on it, nothing happens to it. एक whimsical idea. लिख तो लो, लिखने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आप चिंता मत करना, वो नोट चुरा के कोई न्यूज़पेपर वाला आपके नाम से छपने वाले नहीं है, वो चिंता मत करना. Write an idea, make that idea yours, keep thinking on that idea every day, add a new line to it every week and see the change in yourself. You will evolve. This is the evolvement. इससे ये बड़ी बात बन सकती है. The last part of my talk before I end, and if you want to lead, first is reinvent, second is evolve, and third is if you want to lead. Leading is not just in inheritance. Leading is not just in inheritance. अगर वो होता तो कोई और प्रधानमंत्री आज होता, लेकिन नहीं है. Leading is not just hereditary. Leading is not just talents. Leading is not just experiences. You know what is leading? You are walking at the back. You are walking at the last in your group. Let people stop, turn around, come to you, lift you on your shoulders and bring you in the front. That is a leader. बॉस बनते हैं, लीडर्स लोग बनाते हैं. Very big difference. You can become a boss anytime. To become a leader, you should be a people's choice, your employees' choice, your social circle's choice. भाई साहब, एक व्हाट्सएप के एडमिन भी इतने जल्दी नहीं बन सकते। एक ग्रुप को बनाया, वो एडमिन भी जल्दी नहीं बन सकते, तो लीडर कैसे बनेंगे? व्हाट्सएप में एक ग्रुप के एडमिन बनना, वो भी एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी होती है, और वो भी बनना आसान मत तो है नहीं। क्योंकि आप लोग जितने भी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स में होंगे, सभी में आप एडमिन नहीं होंगे। एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? That means it is not easy to become the admin of all the WhatsApp groups that you are in. Then how it is easy to become a leader everywhere? But if you keep people first, you will naturally become a leader. Rather, you don't become a leader, people make you a leader. People accept you in your heart. Bosses are accepted in minds, leaders are accepted in hearts. For that, you need a couple of qualities to develop. And that is bring the goodness out of yourself. We have a lot of goodnesses. And we all have an experience that at some point of time, we have expressed the best of goodness from ourselves, isn't it? कभी हमने किसी को forgive कर दिया है, कभी किसी को मदद कर दी है, हाँ या ना? कभी किसी की भूल को भूल गए हैं, कभी किसी को स्वीकार कर लिया है, हाँ या ना? हम सभी ने स्पोरेडिक इंसिडेंट्स में ये सब कुछ किया है। सातत्य नहीं बना रहा, इसलिए लीडर नहीं बने। In few incidents, this goodness has been expressed by us. But that goodness, we could not keep it constant in our life, so we don't become leaders. Even those people who wanted to send mercenaries against the Indian army in Kashmir, for those, India sent Indian army to set up hospitals, to help people during the quake under Operation Dost. Goodness. इसको बोलते हैं goodness. Not retaliation, no revenge, no exchange of harsh words, absolutely silent, but showing from within, I am a friend. And that is why the Operation Dost. पता है ना Operation Dost क्या है? No हल्ला बुल्ला, no harsh words, no revenge, no retaliation, a soft heart. Today you need help. Whatever you have spoken in the past about me or my country, today you need help. I will send help. Bring the goodness out of you, then you become a leader.